Hi guys, it's Michael here from CTFloors, a division of CT Industries. Today we're in a noisy environment. We're going to be casting a concrete slab, a self-compacting concrete. Slab is going to be done between 50 millimeters and 100 millimeters. That is onto an existing slab, and this existing slab is undulating between 50 and 102 millimeters. So the people need a proper level slab. Looking at tolerance levels of 3 millimeters over a running meter, so we've got to be pretty careful with how we're going to approach it. The project is going to be pump the concrete in, level it, and then do power floating, and yeah, quite exciting project. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like us, do the stuff, and check out for the next parts of this really exciting project, large project. Thank you very much. Cheers.